Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial of Google SketchUp. Today we will learn how to import AutoCAD drawing in Google SketchUp and how to create plane in Google SketchUp. Let's begin. Let's open our Google SketchUp. We will select millimeters. After entering our screen, first we will do is to delete this already made model. To import any plan from AutoCAD to Google SketchUp, first you need to clean your plan. If you have some doors opening or windows indications or names or dimensions given or any dotted line or any furniture, first you have to do is to delete everything, because even after importing your model to Google SketchUp, you have to delete everything. So it's better to delete in AutoCAD itself. So first you have to do is to clean your model like this. Your model is supposed to look like this. So let's import our AutoCAD drawing in Google SketchUp now. First we will go to the file. It is in the top left corner and you will find import option here. Click on that. A file is saved on desktop. Select your AutoCAD file and import it. After importing your file will look like this. I have an apartment layout. When you import your file, it will import in a group. So first we have to do is to export this group and create individual lines so we can create a plane to work our model on. Go to Edit, go to Components, Explode, and your file is exploded now. Now you can see if I select individual line, all lines are separate. So this is our layout. Now we will create plane so we can start lifting our model up. What we have to do is to create plane. How do we create plane? Either with pencil or with rectangle. We just have to close the loop so SketchUp can detect the plane. Now I'm selecting pencil and drawing a line from this end to this end, and you can see the areas which are already closed are selected. So this gray line you see is the plane we have created. So we will create plane everywhere. Now we have created a plane for all our floor plan. So if you can see, it's easy to lift anything up now. You can pull it up or push it down. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you find it useful. See you in the next tutorial.